So the title for the exhibition is Àbadakone, continuous fire, feu continuel. It's the word Àbadakone in Algonquin, and then the translation in English, and then the translation in French. There's an emphasis on the first A, so I say it Àbadakone. And then the K and the O actually kind of make a kind of like a W sound, so it's Àbadakone. Now we're going to hit the streets. We're going to see how people say the word Àbadakone, continuous fire, feu continuel, the title for the exhibition.
Àbadakone, continuous fire, feu continuel.
Àbadakone, continuous fire, feu continuel.
Àbadakone, continuous fire, feu continuel.
Àbadakone, feu continuel, continuous fire.
Àbadakone,
continuous fire,
feu continuel.